This single-serving cranberry sauce recipe is a classic, made from fresh or frozen cranberries and ready in less than 15 minutes. It's the perfect side dish for Thanksgiving dinner. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single-serving recipes. Let me show you how to make it. Place 1 cup of fresh cranberries in a colander and rinse them. Pick out and discard any damaged cranberries. In a 1-quart saucepan, add the cranberries, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and 1 tablespoon of water. You can also add a cinnamon stick if you'd like, which gives the cranberry sauce a great flavor. Put the saucepan over medium heat, stirring occasionally to dissolve the sugar. When the mixture starts to boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer until the cranberries are tender and open up, which takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and let the cranberry sauce cool completely at room temperature, then transfer it to a bowl. Cranberry sauce can be served warm, at room temperature, or cold. Be sure to check out these great videos and click below to like and subscribe. And please visit OneDishKitchen.com, where we have hundreds of single-serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.